Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can type the greater than or equal to symbol on your computer keyboard step by step. Let's get started. So the greater than or equal to symbols looks like this. And it's used in math and coding to show something is more than or equal to something else. And on Windows, you can just hold down the Alt key and type in 242 on the numeric keypad. But this only works if you have a full keyboard with a number pad. So you can just click on this Alt key and click on 242 on your keyboard. So let's just know why. Let's try again. As you guys can see, when you do that, the greater than will appear on the screen. But on a Mac, it's even easier. You can just press Options plus a greater than key and you'll get this symbol quickly. And if shortcut don't work for you, you can just copy the symbol and paste it whenever you need it. So if, let's example, I'm going to just paste it on the Google Docs. Easy fix. And in Google Docs, you can also use or insert the special characters. So you can just open the Google Docs. And then here you can just go to insert, find the special characters options. And then you can just search for the greater to insert it. You can just, okay, this one's in here. And it will be added automatically. And if your keyboard doesn't support alt codes or symbols, you can try the on-screen keyboard or check your input language settings to enable full symbol support. And that's how you can type the greater than or equal to symbol on your keyboard. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more simple tech tips. Bye.